I feel like really refreshing it is. You know, when you are surrounded by a lots of fire, making that face.
It is Mooli. You will not see. She will not see. So
The video at night, right? We should come one
no,
day.
I will not come here at night because if there will be not any ghost, but I will think, yeah, there. Arey, we say, Ore, what do we say? I can't remember.
These boys here, they're gonna come and they'll be like, "Oh, ये tractor जा रहा है." Like,
Yeah,
so these people are
they
so
are.
interesting.
I am so happy evening time. This is sunny, very.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, guys. I am Apurva Yadav from UP, and guys, today is day 13 of learning English with me. As you all know, that I am here to become fluent in English, to speak English fluently. And as you all know, today I am in my field. Yeah, not in my field, but yeah, in village field. That is known as khet. Khet, that is known as field in English. So today I am surrounded by all fields here and there. You can see everywhere fields, and there you can see my sister, and here is my brother. We all came here to just pluck bathua. You know what is bathua? Bathua that grows in winter season. I don't know what to say bathua in English. Do you know what to say bathua in English? Let me know in the comment section. So we all just came here because in winter it grows by its own. We don't grow them. And if you are from Uttar Pradesh or anywhere around here, you guys also know about it. So we are just wandering around here, looking everywhere. There are lots of, we can say, bathua or whatever. But yeah, we just came here to pluck bathua. And here is my sister, as you can see.
Hi,
Come here.
everyone. Hi.
Yeah, she is also here. You know,
By
today's.
the way, there are lots of ghostly feels. Like you can
Yeah.
see, there are a lot of trees behind.
Yeah,
It
because
feels like ghost. So.
yeah, you can see around here, everywhere, only field, no house here. Like there are some constructions going on, but there are not any house here. You can see from far away. Let me show you. Therefore, from far, there are only fields. And see this guy. He is only just standing here. Hey, come here.
Speak something.
Hi guys, my name is Ritkesh Yadav, and I'm going to my field.
Yeah.
You're
Okay,
not
so
going to your field. You are
so-
in your field.
So what are you doing here?
I am Bathua Plak.
Yeah, everyone is saying Bathua, but we don't know what to say in English. Let's ask to her. Do you know what is Bathua in English?
Actually, guys, I remembered the name, but I forgot it. Even in like grade 10th, we have it. So I forgot it.
So
She
everyone.
asked me those questions, which I always forget most of the time.
So she forgot it. And tell me, guys, here you can see, guys, there are also mustard plants also that I have told you before. You know that time before some 2-3 videos before, I went at another field, and now I am in another field, and this one is very far from my house. So we just came here looking around. There some people are just, what do we say, pouring water.
Filling up fields.
Yeah, filling.
Irrigating.
Yeah, they are irrigating their fields. You can see some are wet also here down. I don't want to show, but yeah, it's wet. And also here some are wet, some are wet, and some are not filled. Not They are not filling their waters in their fields. That's the main thing. And guys, here many people say that here ghosts come. So at night don't come here because here are lots of ghosts.
How are they
and
going to come here? Are you people going to come here?
because this is so far, and here many people's, there are only fields, and you can see there, what do we say, that
Scarecrow.
yeah, scarecrow. It's not, I can't show because it's little far, and I will show you another day when I will come. But yeah,
You're
there
not
are,
showing me.
yeah, tell.
Yeah, so yeah, I also came with her. She was like, "Okay, we are going there and we're gonna make video." It's like I came here, but she's not showing me. Like, what kind of sister are you?
No, I'm good, sister. I'm just showing everything. So can you tell about here? How do you feel here?
Oh, I feel like really refreshing it is. You know, when you are surrounded by a lots of fire, making that face. So yeah, what I'm telling is that when you are around people, around houses, there are a lot of क्या कहते हैं उसको chick chick. So yeah, that happens.
That
a
is
lot.
not noisy. We can say noisy.
Yeah, so that happens, and when you come in the field, there is just look, give them around. Look
Yeah.
how peaceful it is. Like you can see-
Nobody is here. We are just only here. There was one guy, but he gone away. And you know one thing, the
she is
best
very
thing.
much interested in guys.
Yeah. See, guys. I'm telling you know my mother likes so much. She likes Bathua so much, and that's why we came here just to see are there, because few years ago there were lots of Bathuas around here, but now I can't
People
see.
are using too much
Hmm.
of pesticides. And
Yeah, that's why.
insecticides.
So how can it grow? It and one thing is also good about Bathua is that it grows without planting, without growing. It grows by itself only. And my mom likes that too much. And also some winter plants are here, like I can say radish, I can say mustard plants.
No, there is no radish here.
Radish, there are radish
Where's
in the fields.
No.
You can't see, but yeah, they that are in the fields. In the fields. You
She
know,
is
guys.
lying.
No, I'm not lying.
You are
I will
lying.
show you there.
So it is there now. You are currently showing the area here. Here there is no. There is nothing here.
You know, inside the fields there are.
You
But
mean inside the field?
Yeah,
of-
yeah. There are radish. Guys, tell me in the comments. Around you, like there will be lots of fields, and see inside them there will be some radish plants also. I'm telling you, I will show you that. I will show you while when I will start walking. I will show you.
What are you referring to? Like radish? What?
Radish, mooli.
Yeah.
You will not see. She will not see. So, tell what are you doing here?
I am field looking.
Do you find any bathua here?
No,
Why?
I am not. I am only field looking.
Do you like the fields?
Yes.
Why are you becoming so innocent in the video? Like
Yeah.
he is not innocent.
What is the weather today? Do you like the weather?
Yes. It is evening time.
Evening time. We are just chilling here,
Yes.
not doing anything,
Yes.
because we like here the weather and every kind of things. And do you want to say something?
Yeah, I just wanted to ask your audience, like, are you guys afraid of wait, I just kept falling. Anyways, so what I was saying, are you guys afraid of ghosts or not? Like, I am very much afraid of ghosts.
Guys, here I'm telling you, here over there I'm telling you, there are lots of bamboos.
We should shoot a video at night, right? We should come.
No, I will not come here at night, because you know, if there will be not any ghost, but I will think, yeah, there is ghost. That happens. What do we say? That illusion comes, and I don't want to come here at night. But you know, my cousin says that someday their ghost comes and everybody is scared, and they used to tell lots of stories, but now
Like they have a lot of theory.
but now I cannot see any ghost here. It's evening. There should be any ghost, but there are not any ghosts here. Guys, there are not any ghosts, but the illusion that comes in your mind will stop you.
I think there are peacock here, na? Right? I think
Yeah.
I saw peacock.
Yeah, guys, here are
It would be not
peacock
visible in
also.
the camera.
There are peacocks, but we can't see at this time now. But there are lots of peacocks here. There are lots of things here.
So yeah, she got her hand. What do
My
you say?
hand was paining. That's why I gave her the.
I'm
phone.
giving her princess treatment. Wow, so good. And now, guys, let me show you something. See, you look at that area there. I think I saw peacocks there, which I told you right now. I also wanted to show you guys peacock, but I think it is not visible here.
Do you know something before do you know something about here? Like you, I'm asking to you.
What do you mean?
Before,
Like,
sorry. You know, guys, everyone in our house, we can say our auntie and we can say our grandmas, our neighbors, everyone was saying that before, when they here were no fields, there were lots of fruits here, there were lots of
Yes.
vegetables here, like big vegetables, when at my grandfather's time, not now, because everyone is using pesticides and these all kinds of things. So how will plant grow perfectly? They will be just like artificial. So before, at their time, here were like fruits, we can
Yeah,
say.
I don't remember. There is
Guavas.
one fruit this our mother keeps saying. It is like a round and small fruit.
We can say
I
bair. We say bair.
No,
in
it's not bear. It's not bear.
bair. We say in Bhojpuri bair.
Bair कहते हैं उसको, but it's not that. It's something else. It's like she used to talk like. Do you guys know? Tell me in the comments. Like there is a small, this very pinkish thing, which these people refer as to be like sour. खट्टा कहते हैं ना?
Are we say, what do we say? I can't remember that. I know that it's like a very sweet. What do we say? Very salty.
Sour and like.
It's
sweet.
like this much big, and
Anyways, guys, we forgot it. Leave it. So yeah.
see, I'm telling you the hint. It's like white at first time. No, first it will grow. It will be like green type. Then it will be white, and then after it will change its color. We make pickles also of that. I can't
Pickles,
remember
I'll
that,
show.
but yeah, I also have eaten that and I like it too.
Definitely the hand keeps paining.
See, I was standing and picking this only with
That
three
guy
people
is a
side.
beginner right now,
Yeah,
like
he
you.
is beginner. So tell about something. What are you doing right now?
I'm the looking weather and field.
I'm looking at the weather.
Yes, and I am all of things looking that I am tractor looking, bike looking. Only.
Tractor looking by. See, guys. Hey, turn the camera here. So it's like, tell me in the comment section. All these boys here, they're gonna come and they'll be like, "Oh, ये tractor जा रहा है." He's like,
Yeah.
so these people are
They
so
are-
interested in it.
Yeah, they are interested in this kind of
Yes.
things. And what
we
we
people came here, we are looking at the scenery, how peaceful it is. Like, tell how many boys are there. If you guys are there, then
I'm telling you, there these the people who are watching, the boys, we can say uncle also,
It
uncle
is-
also, every like male one. So they will be just like, see that guy is going. He's my friend. See there, this is tractor. I know it drive. They drive very fast. These all kinds of things. And you know, we came very less time here. We don't come very fast, but when we came, we make videos. Because I like we don't make videos, but yeah, we just
all these
wander
people in our
around here.
village, like they would be looking at, they'll be like, wow, these people are making reels, maybe of dancing or something, right? They'll be thinking, yeah, like what kind of videos these people are making. But yeah, we are making for you guys. Make sure to subscribe and like the video.
And guys,
that
don't
we
forget to tell what is Bathua known as in
Hey,
English.
I am speak.
Yeah.
So what do you want to speak?
I am speak that field looking and
Look here, look at the
Yeah.
camera.
look the road.
Yes.
And I am so happy evening time. This is sunny, very.
He's beginner, guys. You are also speaking like this. I know. Tell.
And very evening time. So much happy I am.
Guys, you are also speaking like him. I know, but yeah, he's practicing. So guys, see, like this you have to practice. Say something about this field. कुछ बोलो इस खेत के बारे में कुछ बोलो.
This is field grasses will I am looking that, but it is not grass. This is rice field.
Rice. We say paddy.
Yes,
Yeah, paddy. That is.
and I am looking all more times. I am looking that grass.
Only grass. These are not grass. These are paddy plants.
Yes, I am all of times looking the grass, and I am
How do you feel here?
evening time is it. I am happy. field.
He is happy and he is looking at grasses, he is looking at paddies, and he is looking around over there. There is a road over there.
And I am looking that bird.
Ha,
Bird is,
yeah, looking at birds. You know, there were lots of birds here, but all I don't know where they
Birds
all
are
gone.
beautiful birds.
Yeah, birds are beautiful. We also know birds are. And parrots, there are peacocks, parrots,
And I
sparrow,
am
pigeon.
most beautiful. I
Hmm.
am beautiful is parrot.
You like parrot?
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, why are you standing there like ghost? I'm
She
scared.
just calls me in her videos and like gives me this much of attention. That is, I'm just not liking it, by the way.
So guys, around your fields, we say dard here. Dard.
Okay.
We say our grandmothers say like this.
By the way, I wanted to go in the past time and eat
And
those
guys,
Yeah, I also want to, because when our grandmothers and our mothers,
yes.
these all guys say like we enjoyed
not
a
guys.
lot.
They are females.
Woman chatter. What do we say?
Woman
Yeah?
chatter.
We say that. What will we say?
Women gossips. Everyone does gossip, yeah. Everyone
Guys, gossips and that have so much difference. Gossip, you know what is gossip known as in Hindi? That is. So
And-
they are not gossiping.
Actually, but yeah, they mostly do gossip, so they can be called it.
and I am
My mother used to talk a lot about this field.
I am speak. You guys, your mothers speak like field name is Korea.
Yeah.
Comment section. Your mother is speak.
Does your mom's, do you have this kind of fields? We have three places. Can you name 3 places? 3 fields. What do we say that?
First,
3 जगह.
first, my mother is machine, and
Your mother is not machine. You have a field. You have a
my
field. पहली field का नाम है machine.
And tell about how much near is it? It's not very far. Korea is very near. Then after we came machine.
Yeah,
then
don't
at
tell
last.
them all. Why do you guys want to know that? Don't tell it.
Guys, do you
Otherwise,
have-
so people are asking for your location. The other day, they're gonna come
अरे
at
बस
your
करो
house.
यार.
So guys, I'm just telling about fields. You guys also have fields. If you are from, I'm telling about village fields. If you are from village, you also have fields. I want to know, do you guys also say like this? Because in our area we say like this.
What do you mean? Okay, fine. Now what?
Now nothing. Just tell them all to speak English.
Subscribe the channel.
Speak English, guys. Do keep speaking English and try to learn English, of course. And yeah, what about my channel, guys? Are you subscribed to it? Because many people are watching and not subscribing my channel. This lady told me, you're a lady or a girl? This girl.
I'm
told me-
your sister. I told you at second day also, and now also I'm telling you I'm your sister, not lady. Okay. So guys, keep practicing, keep speaking. I know many people are trying a lot. They are telling, how do you guys started speaking? See guys, we just started like this. We started
Yeah,
like
you
speaking.
also have seen the beginner.
Yeah,
this
see this is beginner.
And you-
see, he is also practicing. You also have to practice like this, and one day you will just speak like
And
us.
you like and subscribe.
He's only saying for like, subscribes. I don't know why, but yeah. So this is all for today. Keep practicing, keep growing, and keep speaking. I will meet you in the next video. Bye. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. This guy is not.